Channel your inner ballerina with these standing one-legged exercises that will tone your legs and backside in 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Let's go.
Today we're going to have some fun breaking down Arabesque movement in a barre routine. All you'll need is a sturdy chair or a piece of furniture. Let's get started. Turn towards your chair, bringing the fingertips on. Begin to walk the feet back as you hinge forward from the waist. Keep softness in the knees and bring the palms now to that chair, keeping softness in the elbows. At no point do we want to lock out our joints here. Keeping those hips squared, extend that right leg behind you. Now keep in mind, is anytime we bend the knees here, we want to make sure those knees are tracking the center of the feet. Find a nice long neutral spine and slowly begin to lift and lower the leg here. Squeezing those glutes to lift, finding length out of those toes. Good, now begin to bend both knees, scoop the belly, draw the knee in, and lengthen away. Scoop in, press away. Scoop in, press away. Scoop in, press away. 4 more here. 4, 3, rounding the back as you bend the knee here. 2, 1, press away. Now bend to cross the ankle behind the knee. Keep softness in that supporting leg and lift and lower. Lift, cross that ankle. Lift, lift. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Extend those legs. Give that booty a shake. And let's take it to the other side. Extending the leg. Left leg behind. Softness in the knee. Lift and lower. Reaching long through those toes. Abdominals engaged. Pressing long through the arms. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna lift, bend and scoop, round the back, and lengthen out. Bend and round, lengthen out. Bend 3, and out. Keep breathing through it, you're doing great. 5, press out. 6, press out. 2 more. 7, press out. Scoop. 8, press it out now. Rotate the leg, cross the ankle behind the knee, and lift and lower. Lift. 2, lift. 3, lift. 4, lift. 5, lift. 6, keep going, lift. 7, lift. 8, lift. 9, lift. Lower. 10, lengthen up. Shake that booty side to side. Going back to that left leg, extend the right leg behind and open the hip and close. Rotate to open, close for 2. Rotate to open, close for 3. Open, close 4. Open, close 5. Open, close 6. Open, close 7. Open, close 8. Lower the leg. Extend the other leg long. And open 8. Open 7. Open 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Bring it on in. Walk back towards your bar, towards your chair. Stand up tall. And now I'm going to lift my leg and think about using the toes to draw a figure 8 on the floor. So those hips will move just a little bit, sweeping that leg just off the floor. Just going to take this through a little bit of a cool down stretch on those hips. Rotating here. And bring it in. Other side. Drawing those figure 8s with your toes. Turning the knee in and out. Keep checking in with that posture. And bring it down. Walk those hands back, hinging forward at the waist, and finish off here with a couple of knee bends. Just pedal those feet out. You can lift the heels here. Giving those glutes and hamstrings a little more stretch, and walk it back in. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas or combine them all for a full body workout.